Good morning, children. In the previous class, we have discussed the different food cuisines of India, food cooks items, what is tandoori cooking, frying, roasting, baking, and different types of cooking methods. And today we will discuss about the cooking utensils and the energy for cooking. What are the energy that we required for the cooking? Okay. Uh, just like chisels and screwdrivers and saws are the tools for the carpenters. In order to cook, we also need utensils. There are different kinds of utensils or the vessels that can be used in our kitchens, and most important thing that we can see in our kitchens, that is the pressure cooker. Okay, children. And pressure cooker are used to cook rice, vegetables, soup, meat. It helps to save energy, and it is quickly coo- cook in quickly. Is okay. And because of this pressure cooker, in the pressure cooker, airtight lid of the pressure cooker does not let the steam of the food that will go out or escape from the utensils or the cookers, that will keep the pressure inside the pressure cooker. So it in a pressure cooker, we cook food in a quickly process. Okay. And the heat and pressure helps the cook food faster. Liquids are heat. Liquids are like this, children. So in the liquid food that we will use a pot, this type of pots or pans or kettles, or the like water, milk, that we can cooked in a pots, pan, and kettles. Okay. And saucepans and round bottom pans called woks or karais are also used for frying in the oils, or frying things like pakoras and all these things. We can fry it in a wok or a karai or in a saucepans. Okay. And there are different types of knives. These are the all the different types of varieties of knives that we use to chop vegetables. And ladles are this type of ladles are used to stir cookings and serve food when it was ready. Okay, children. So these are the utensils mostly, is that is this LPG gas cylinder and LPG gas chulas, uh, cutting implements like knives, wok, saucepan, pressure cooker, solar cooker, ladle. All these are the utensil mostly we can see in our kitchens. Okay. And for kitchens to cook food, children, we also required uh, fuels or energy. Okay. There are different kinds of fuels we can found, like in previously, when there will be a no gas chula or stoves, that time people use firewood as the main fuel for cooking, since the man started to cook the food. Okay. And children's, this firewood will comes from the felling of trees. Okay. Then soon man started to use coal and charcoal to light the kitchen fires. Then after the use of this firewood, then people started to learn to cook in from the charcoal and a coal to cook food. And the development of the time passes, and the children's people use uh, gas stoves or kerosene stoves. Okay. And now children's in many villages, but uh, in India, in many villages, people children's cow dung cakes or and that are used as an energy to cook food, like that cow dung cakes or dung cakes are dried in the sun and used to fire chulas. Okay, children's in village area of India. But nowadays, children's LPG gas cylinders provide fuel to run gas chulas. But nowadays, children's, we use mostly in our house, we use LPG gas cylinder, that is liquid petroleum gas cylinder use we use to cook food or as in fuel to run gas chulhas, okay children, or the gas burner, okay. And children, toasters, oven, grills and microwave ovens run uh, these are also cooking uh, ovens or the toasters and grills. These are the cooking chulas like, but this will be run fuels that will this will be run with the help of electricity, okay. uh, Toaster, oven, grills and microwaves runs with the electricity, like solar cooker use the heat from the sun sign to cook food. This is solar cooker, okay children. This is electric oven, toaster, grills or microwave. These are run with electricity, whereas the solar cooker will run with the uh, energy from the sun, okay. And solar energy is which we use, it does not harm the environment, and it is a renewable solar energy, okay children. And but whereas lpg cylinder or gas stoves or electricity that we cannot is not will be renewable, but solar energy is renewable, okay. And children, this is the pictures of dung cakes that mostly we see in the village of Indian village. People use these dunks as to cook use in a chulas, okay. And sandwich and this salad, all these are the flameless cooking, okay. Flameless means the when we eat or when we make this sandwich and a salad, we don't require flame or a fuel to cook this, because we can eat it without cook, okay. And we can eat it's like in raw. But it is children's safe for you to fix yourselves a quick meal. And children's, we have to keep ourselves in a fixed meal, that we can eat all these foods in a proper time, okay.